Today I'm going to show you how to add a logo in the Gamma app, step by step, in a quick and easy way. Whether you want to brand a presentation, make your page look more professional, or simply place your company logo in the right spot, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign into your account. Once you're inside Gamma, open the presentation or page where you want to add your logo. This is important because the logo needs to be placed inside the exact project you want to edit. Now, look through your content and click the card where you want the logo to appear. Gamma works with cards and blocks, so selecting the right card makes it easier to add your image in the right place. After clicking the card, look for the plus button or the insert option. This is usually how Gamma lets you add new content into your page. Once the insert menu opens, choose image. This tells Gamma that you want to upload a picture rather than text or another content block. After that, upload your logo from your computer. You can use a PNG, JPG, or any supported image file that contains your brand logo. When the logo uploads, Gamma will place it into the card or section you selected. From here, you can resize the logo by clicking and dragging the corners. Make it smaller if you want a clean header style look, or larger if you want it to stand out more. You can also move it around so it sits exactly where you want it on the page. Take a moment to check the alignment and spacing. If your logo looks too big, too small, or slightly off to one side, just adjust it until it fits the design nicely. The goal is to make it look polished and professional without distracting from the rest of the presentation. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've added your logo to the Gamma project as an image. This is a simple but effective way to brand your content and make your presentations look more customized. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Gamma tips, app tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.